Be there in just a second, Dale. Trying to get something here. I think I got it. Dale? Dale! What is going on?
Yeah, I'm Dale with Swivellink.
Hey, wait. We ain't doing that this time.
Sorry, I was just catching up on...
We do that all the time at the beginning. This time we're going to change it up.
Well, what do you want to talk about today?
Are you awake?
Yeah. Oh,
sure.
Ball adapters.
Ball adapters. There you go.
All right.
Good job. So today we're going to talk about the AFSB-3 ball adapter. You're going to utilize this with a 1/2-inch NPT pipe. So instead of utilizing a bunch of knuckles and links to get way up there to mount your stack light or your indicator light, that's where this is going to come into play. Just to go over some different size options here. You getting it?
Yep.
All right. 30 mil, 18, 12, and 8. We also do have our new bracket here that comes in those same sizes. Once again, that's 30, 18, 12, and 8. And you can find all this information on our website. Just search the AFSB-3 or reach out to a local distributor. They'll be able to help you out with pricing or any other information that you would need. And just like that, voila.
I like
Half
it.
asleep and all. I think you got it.
Absolutely.
Good job. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and comment down below and we'll make sure to reach out to you.
We got to leave that in there. We got to leave that in there.
What's the odds of that?